Hello, everyone. I'm Earl of Philippine Camper Stories podcast. Today, I'm going to talk about The Mask of Halia, which is the storyline comics ng Kwento Comics, an all-female, all-Asian comic book company based in Southern California, sa Los Angeles. And right now, you're seeing issue number 1, The Mask of Halia, kung saan na-introduce tayo sa mundo ni Marisol Reyes, isang babaeng Phil-American na nakapana ng kanyang mahiwagang maskara kung saan nagbibigay ng powers para sa kanya. And this is issue number 2. Shout out to Susan Ben for this amazing cover. Ang ganda-ganda ng graphics niya. Oops. Ayan, so this is just appreciation post para dun sa graphics ng Kwento Comics kasi ang ganda-ganda nila, tas na-capture talaga nila yung pagka-Pilipino. So go ahead and listen to episode